Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through my week 13 project where I migrated my CRD app into a new Vite TypeScript setup. My first step was creating the Vite project. I started by opening Visual Studio Code, what I'm in right now, and I used the terminal to run npm create Vite at latest. When prompted, I selected the vanilla framework and the TypeScript variant. Then step 2, moving my app into Vite. Inside my src folder, I found a file called main.ts. I deleted the default code and pasted the logic from my old CRD app. Here is that logic. I also opened the index.html and replaced the default body with the original body HTML layout from my CRD app. At the bottom of the body, I made sure to include. Then I ran npm install to install all the dependencies and open the project folder using code, period. Vite-friendly script. This is the script tag. I also brought all my styles over into my styles.css and imported them in main.ts. Here is my styles.css. Step 3, setting up the API with JSON server. I copied my db.json. Where is that? Into the root of the project next to the package.json over here. To run the fake backend, I opened the second terminal and used npx JSON server. That gave me access to my data at localhost 300 or 3000 items. Then I ran npm run dev to start the Vite dev server at localhost 5178. So when I click this and follow the link, you're taken to my original CRD app that is functioning the same. I can add an object and delete an object, and I will show you in my code how it is saved. My fourth step was fixing TypeScript errors. I created a type for my items in main.ts. Here it is. I defined my item. Then I used as HTML form element, as HTML input element, and as HTML list element to make sure all the DOM elements were correctly typed. That cleared all the red squiggles and helped the transcript understand what I was doing. The fifth and final step was organizing my files. I separated my code into a few files to follow the best practices. My project includes a main.ts, constants.ts, a separate file where I moved reusable values like the API URL, a styles.css for my custom styles, and a db.json for the JSON server backend data. I also have some extra files like counter.ts and Vite env.d.ts, which came with the Vite setup. Everything works together using import and export statements. Now my app is fully functional. It lets me add new items, delete items from the list, and view items from the list. It's built using TypeScript. It runs with npm run dev, as I demonstrated. It has no type errors, and my code is split across multiple files in a professional way. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to view my code, please check out my GitHub.